Hey, Taryn, when are the kids coming for story time? I just really want to see them. I have so much fun with them.
Hi, Perth. It's Jennifer from the library. I'm here with Taryn from the Lions Club.
Hi.
We're very excited to be hosting another Read with the Animals event. And this little guy's going to be there just in time for Easter. Come on down and take a look around. You'll see lots of animals and kids. Hi, Rosie. Is it okay if the children come and visit your kids? Hi, baby Bailey. How are you? Are you excited to see the kids?
We are. We love having people come and see all the animals.
I think Mitch is excited too. Are you excited, Mitch?
You betcha, you betcha.
Oh no, they're really excited to see me. Frank and Carl want to hear stories too, don't ya? Story time is for all ages, isn't it, Francis?
Yeah, it's for everybody. I want to see everybody here.